Hello, my name is Alyssa Mages. I am a credentialed veterinary technician from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania in the United States, and I am so excited to be a part of this year's WSAVA Congress in Rio. I will be presenting 2 workshops sponsored by IDEX this year, and they are focused on hands-on materials that you can take with you once you attend. The first is called Go with the Flow, and it is looking at working on techniques in venipuncture and IV catheterization, standard IV catheters all the way up to central lines. And the second is called Do It Yourself Training. And in this workshop, everyone is going to be provided with a small stuffed animal that we're going to transform into a training mannequin that you can utilize for anesthesia induction training or CPR. The really exciting part of these workshops is they're not sit there and listen. They are get up, get moving, and get working. And everyone that is a part of these goes home with the materials. So with Go with the Flow, you take the vein that you've been working on for catheterization back to your practice to continue the learning there. For do-it-yourself training, the mannequin you've made is yours. And the learning doesn't stop once you finish the Congress. It goes with you and goes onward. So what we're really looking forward to is spending time together talking about how these are not only sustainable tools for educational purposes, but for the environment as well, because they can be reused again and again and again. Can't wait to see you in Rio from the 25th to the 27th of September. Obrigado!